Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: getting dynamic input from the user in a Python program, and for this we are going to use input function. Right. So first of all, coming to dynamic input from the user. So dynamic input means, okay, taking input while executing the program. Okay, so taking input from the user while executing the program, and basically this is done from keyboard. Okay, so from keyboard we are going to execute, or we are going to accept input from the user. Right, so for this we are going to use input function, using which we are going to accept dynamic input from the program while running the program. For example, we can take it like this: input followed by, we can pass a message to the input function, enter a value, accept the a value from keyboard, store that in a. Similarly, input, we are passing a message to input function, enter b value, accept the input from keyboard and store that in b. Similarly, input, enter your name, and we can store that value in uname. So here a, b and uname are variables in Python program, and whatever the data or input we accept using input function in Python, it is taken as text or string format only. Text or string format only. Okay, so let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python input function example 1. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program using hash. Right, so here I'm saying input, enter a value, accept the value and store that in a, and print a. Similarly, input b value, accept the v value and store that in b. Okay, and print b value. Okay, after that we will perform. Okay, right, so let us execute till here. We will put multi-line comment for the remaining cases using triple single quotes. Right, so come to the command prompt, so and then run. So Python input function example1 .py, so enter a value 10, so given value is 10, enter b value 20, so given value is print b 20. So now let us perform a plus b. So sum equal to a plus b, print sum message comma sum variable. Okay, so let us perform a plus b and store that in sum. Enter a value 10, enter b value 20. So sum is 1020. So why it is taking 1020? Because whatever the input we take from the user using input function is in string format. So how to know that? We can say here print type of a. We will get what is the data type of a. Similarly, print type of b. So type function will give what is the type of data available in a particular variable. So 10. So type of a is str. Str means string type. Similarly, 20. So type of b is also str, string type. So that's why string plus string, we are getting the answer as string 1020. It is not doing numeric addition, it is doing string addition. Okay, so what is happening here is string plus string. Okay, answer is string. So what is happening internally is string 10 plus string 20. So this is taking the answer as string 1020. Okay, right? So it is perform string addition. String addition, or technically it is called as concatenation, adding two strings into single string, right? So now what I will do, I will use one function here. A is equals to int of A. So it will convert string A into integer A and store that in A. Similarly, here also int of B, store that back in B. Okay, now what happens is 10 plus 20 will get the answer as 30. So 10, 20, answer is 30. So previously the data type of A and B is str type. Now it is int, integer type. So 10 plus 20, the answer is 30. Okay, right? So int function is used to convert string into integer. Right, so similarly, one last case, input, enter your name. So name is a collection of characters, so it is of type string. Store that in uname variable. So print given name, comma, uname variable. Okay, so here I will also say print type of uname. We should get it as str type. Okay, so save this, run the program, enter a value 11 converted into integer, 22 converted into integer, string to integer, name Sai Ram Kumar. So given name, comma, uname Sai Ram Kumar, it is of type str. Okay, right? So this is how we are supposed to work with input function, and it takes everything as string, convert into respective data type based on the usage. So int function converts string to integer. Okay, and next, string plus string is string value. Okay, so example, string 10 plus string 20. So the answer is 1020. It is string concatenation. So if you want to make this as numeric addition, convert string into integer and perform 10 plus 20, 30. So this is how we have to accept dynamic input from keyboard or user while running the Python program using input function. It is a predefined function in Python. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.